Yours truly is about to step out after the heavy snowfall. Blizzard 2016. Now let's see. Okay, it's cold, bone chilling cold. Now what's going on here? Yeah, the vehicle, yeah, it's covered. Undercover, okay, got that. Now, it's my shovel. I'm about to start doing some cleaning up of snow. Let's see, where do I start? I really don't feel like doing this, so I just go back inside and wait for miracle to happen to clean the snow. It's not going to happen anyway, but it's wishful thinking. Now, let's see what's going on in the neighborhood. Everything is quiet, peaceful. Oh, look at the tennis court. You can't even see it. It's covered with snow. Okay. A little bit of sunshine. If only the temperature can rise and this pile will start melting. Well, that's going to take a while. We're talking a while. Now, let me see. Let me start somewhere. Yeah. I don't think this is going to be easy. It's not going to be very easy, but it's worth a trial. First, I got to find a place to put my feet. And then, let's hope I get somebody come help soon. Yeah. There's no time. What the heck? And how about sending some of this somewhere to Africa or Caribbean or somewhere? What's all this? Woo. Okay, let me see. Pile and pile and pile of snow. Pile and pile and pile of snow. Can't even distinguish where the driveway starts or ends anymore. But it's going to be good exercise. But not strenuous exercise. Because there's no way I'm going to strain myself trying to remove this snow. Well, so hope we don't have any more of this anytime soon. Yes. Right. Love it. It looks beautiful, but it's a lot of work. A lot of snow removal. It's going to start happening pretty soon. Today is Sunday, so got at least another 15 hours of snow clearing before there might be any move or any need to go anywhere. So we survived the blizzard 2016, at least, we think we do. Until we get this snow out of the way, it's not over until it's over. All right, that's all for now.